The insurance industry in Ireland is competitive, innovative, diverse and fast-moving, with new products and ideas constantly coming on stream. Over 27,000 qualified and certified professionals enjoy the challenges and rewards of a career in insurance. Using insight, innovation and commercial awareness, these professionals drive their businesses forward to meet the ever-changing needs of their customers. As the #1 training provider for the insurance sector, the Insurance Institute of Ireland has over 130 years' experience delivering education to this extraordinarily diverse and sophisticated industry.
Education was always there within the insurance sector and it was always important. We can't forget that we are a profession and you have to learn the fundamentals of that, and one way of doing that is through a qualification.
We at the Insurance Institute work with over 70 technical experts in developing industry recognised qualifications, executive education and continuing professional development programmes. For those starting off in our industry, the Professional Certificate in Insurance, or the APA, fulfils the central bank's competency requirements, the minimum level that the central bank expects from new entrants. The next step in our roadmap is the Professional Diploma in Insurance, or the Certified Insurance Practitioner programme. And this is for students who have completed their APA and I suppose are ready to make the next commitment to the industry that they've chosen to serve their career in. After the CIP, the next career goal for most students is a supervisory level, junior management level or a team lead role. And that's why people undertake the Management Diploma in Insurance, for that career advancement and because it facilitates that progression to more specialised roles or more management style roles. Mobility is very important to a lot of our students and a lot of our members. And if you're going to travel, it's vital that your qualification can travel with you. And for this reason, we've developed relationships with other international professional educational bodies. And what these relationships allow is for mutual recognition of qualifications.
The Insurance Institute, as a professional body for those working in the insurance industry, is related to University College Dublin, or UCD, through its School of Professional Finance. One of the key characteristics of a professional student these days is that they're working and studying typically at the same time. And the way in which they work, they want to be able to access learning materials at a variety of times. What were originally materials in book form have now transferred to computer form, iPad form and other forms of technology. The Insurance Institute really pioneered that, I guess now, over 10 years ago. It has worked very hard at developing those materials. The student can access that at any time, any place typically.
When I did the exams, I did them one at a time, so it was less pressure whenever I was working, so I had the time to study. I found the webinars very easy to use. They were very informative. It's just you could go through the lists and click on what you wanted to see. What I like about insurance the most is you get to talk to people, whether it's face to face or on the phone. You're not just stuck in an office looking at a computer screen. So it's a very social career.
The biggest asset of OSG and the services we provide are our people, so the recruitment and development of people with the highest professional standards is of the utmost importance to the company. The Institute can help us maintain a competitive advantage because they're able to undertake some tasks and supports which are invaluable to us, which allow us to concentrate on maintaining our business and maintaining the demands of our clients at the end of the day. Otherwise we would have to undertake a lot of these tasks ourselves, but yet the Insurance Institute have the specialist expertise and knowledge to be able to provide this for us.
At the Insurance Institute of Ireland, we strongly believe in the concept of lifelong learning. And this is the reason why we put all our efforts and experience into working in partnership with the industry. We pride ourselves on developing programs which offer real solutions to real business needs.
I think it's always a challenge when you're trying to fit in a full day's job and study. But what's really important is that you can appreciate what you're studying and why you're studying it. I think you also have a lot of role models within your business to support you in the study. So I think you can look at your colleagues who've also either studying with you at the same time or else have studied before, and they're great for helping each other. And I think the mentoring part of our industry is so important to the success of following a framework of education.
The first exam I did, I was so nervous that the pen hopped out of my fingers, and I sat there and I thought, how am I going to do this exam? And I got it. I was very happy. I didn't give myself the timeline that you had to have it completed within the 4 years, as a lot of new entrants would. Just became very relaxed about it, and I said, if you do 1 a year, you know, you're still working your way through it, and you don't have a deadline. And that's the wonderful thing about being grandfathered, that you don't have a deadline. It's something you're doing for yourself, and it does help you within the industry and within the language of the industry language.
The Insurance Institute of Ireland is the membership body for the entire insurance industry. Our single focus is to help members realise their full potential. We are passionate about working with our members throughout their insurance careers. We support lifelong learning and promote the benefits of professional development across the wide range of career opportunities in this exciting, constantly evolving industry.